Much love, fam, and welcome back. I am sitting here on the bathroom floor procrastinating about washing my hair. I am for some reason just not looking forward to this, and I know what the reason is. It's not for some reason. It's that if you saw my last video, I have not retwisted my hair in quite some time. So I've got a lot of pieces sticking together at the roots, and they're so thick. So usually I could just wash and go and not think about it. But I know if I do that this time, it's going to bother me even more. It's going to be sticking even more and pulling, and I'm going to hate it. So I know I have to retwist after my wash. That is my problem. That is why I've been procrastinating for the past couple days and for about the past hour or so. And I thought, let me turn on the camera so maybe I will get in, some motivation into doing this thing. Ouch. See, even like going like that is just so tender and hurts. I was even on the internet looking up people to do my locks, and I was like, come on now, this is quite ridiculous. Just go do this thing. So I'm gonna do it. I've started this video, so I'm going to do it. It's gonna push me into it. I'm gonna do it. Alright, so how are you guys doing today? Hopefully all is well with you. It's very nice here today. It was so cold and rainy yesterday, and then today it was still a little bit chilly, but my son and I went out, right, Super? Spent some time with the trees.
Yeah.
So that was good and fun, and I still have to give him his bath, so I need to get going on this thing. Ouch. So anyways, I hope you all are doing well. Let me know down below how you are doing. And let's go ahead and get this thing started. Okay, you guys, I took out this one, but I've already left these in for a few washes. They're not bothering anything, and they're hanging pretty tight, so I'm just going to leave them on again. I had a few rings in here that I've lost, through washes and just life. So I'm going to leave those two. I'm going to be using my Giovanni Triple Treat. You can see I still have quite a bit in here. So I'm going to finish this up. Not finish this up. I'm going to use this. I usually do 2 washes, lather, rinse, and another lather, rinse. So that is the game plan. Alright, you guys, so that is it. I did it. I procrastinated my way through it. Thank you for your support. I wound up doing like 3 washes, maybe even 4 kind of. In some spots, this top middle spot was a little bit of a like scalp kind of, I would say build up on the scalp, just kind of oily. So I did that spot about 3 times, maybe did a little patches like with some more soap and rinsed it through. But my hair feels, even with that many washes with that tea tree triple treat, my hair feels really moisturized. It feels really good. And I am, my fear at the beginning of this thing was that I had to continue on and do my retwist. I still plan on doing that, although right now I feel like I can survive without it. But you know, it feels like that when it's wet and then it dries and who knows. But I feel like I can survive without it right now. But I'm going to give my son a bath, and then I think I will get started on my retwist. So I'll film that separately if I do. But I haven't popped anything, or, well, now I am, I guess, kind of pulling that part. And this is how the back's looking. So, I don't know. Right now, my plan is to go ahead and do that. So, of course, I will film that and show that. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching. And definitely like this video if you like this video. And subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you next time. All right. Bye.